Panpandobi. Panpandodobibi. Pandobi, Pandobi. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Oh, mosquito. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Go away right now.
Oh, so itchy.
It bit me. What should I do? Panpandodobibi.
Mommy, I feel so itchy.
Wee woo, the doctor's here. Wee woo, put on some ointment.
I feel much better.
Do not scratch mosquito bites.
Pandobi, Pandobi. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Oh, mosquito. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Go away right now. So itchy. It bit me. What should I do? Mommy, the mosquito bite is so itchy.
Don't worry, I'll put some ointment on it. Wee woo, the doctor's here.
Wow!
Wee woo, put on a patch.
The mosquito flew away.
Do not scratch mosquito bites.
Buzz, buzz, buzz. Oh, mosquitoes. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Go away right now. So itchy. They bit me. What should I do?
Panpandodobibi. Wee-oo, doctors are here. Wee-oo, put on some ointment.
Wow, I feel much better.
Do not scratch mosquito bites.
Oh, wow, they flew away.
Today I learned.
It's so itchy. Wow, I feel much better. Don't scratch mosquito bites.
Toot toot! Fresh and yummy juice!
Wow! Let's go get some juice.
Come over here, have some fresh juice. Look at the magic blender here. Yay! Let's put in some fruit. Chug, chug, chug. Healthy and yummy juice for you.
No.
Dino Juice, Crocodile Juice, Robot Juice, and Special Rainbow Juice. Which one would you like?
Wow!
I'd like to have rainbow juice. What is it made of?
Red dragon fruit, strawberries, mangoes, blueberries, and some grapes too. Na. Rainbow juice is ready now.
I'd like to have crocodile juice. What is it made of?
Green kiwis and little raspberries. Your crocodile juice is ready now.
I'd like to have Dino Juice.
apples and sour oranges. Your Dino Juice is ready now.
Na 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 na.
Will you choose my juice too?
Okay.
I'd like to have robot juice.
What is it made of?
Red strawberries.
A big watermelon.
Your robot juice will be ready soon.
Na 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 na.
Wow!
Beep, beep. Here's your robot juice.
There you are.
Come here, let's play a game.
Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Let's all play the opposites game. Hot and cold. Hot and cold. Hot and cold. The hot chocolate is hot, hot, hot. Hot and cold. Hot and cold. The ice cream is cold, cold, cold. The opposite of hot is
Cold.
open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Let's all play the opposites game.
Big and small.
Big and small, big and small. The teddy bear is big, big, big. Big and small, big and small. The little bunny is small, small, small.
The opposite of big is
Open, shut them, open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Let's all play the opposites game.
Fast and slow.
Fast and slow, fast and slow. The toy car is fast, fast, fast. Fast and slow, fast and slow.
Stop.
The little snail is slow, slow, slow.
The opposite of fast is slow.
Open, shut them, open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Let's all play the opposites game. In and out. In and out, in and out. Who's in there? In, in, in. In and out, in and out. Let's play hide and seek.
Mom, are we there yet?
Not yet.
Mommy, please help me, please. Please unbuckle my seatbelt. I don't like the safety seat. I want to get out of it.
Baby, baby, sit up straight. Please keep sitting in your seat. Look what mommy brought here for you.
Wow, my elephant.
Don't worry, she will stay with you.
here comes a curve.
Don't worry, your seat will keep you safe.
Mommy, please help me, please. Please unbuckle my seatbelt. I don't like the safety seat.
Your seat will keep you safe.
Mommy, please help me, please. Please unbuckle my seatbelt. I don't like the safety seat. I want to get out of it.
Baby, baby, sit up straight. Please keep sitting in your seat. How about playing a game with me?
Game?
Oh, watch out!
My mommy.
Bunny's wearing a seatbelt now. He'll be safe. When you have fun at the beach, be careful, careful, don't get hurt. Put some sunscreen on your skin, keep your skin safe from the sun. Put it on your arms, put it on your face. Time to play, let's go.
Come on, let's have fun at the beach. Keep your skin safe from the sun.
When you have fun at the beach, be careful, careful, don't get hurt. Stay with your parents in the water. Keep yourself safe and have a good time with your swim ring and your parents. Time to play, let's go.
Come on, let's have fun at the beach. Keep yourself safe and have a good time.
When you have fun at the beach, be careful, careful, don't get hurt. Don't touch the animals in the sea. Keep yourself